How to have a winning application. Tips for applying for solar internships and scholarships. NASA's Aussie Solar is a one-stop shopping initiative that offers students the ability to apply for up to 15 NASA internship and scholarship opportunities in one convenient online system. This video will give you information on strengthening your internship and scholarship application. First, let me introduce the two application types we will discuss in this video. The application types include scholarships and internships. In Solar, each application type has a different tab. Scholarships provide undergraduate students tuition support, a stipend, and a summer internship at a NASA center. Internships are paid opportunities that take place at a NASA center. In an internship, a student works on a project that is outlined by the NASA mentor. In addition to summer internships, fall and spring semester internships are also available. High school seniors, undergraduates, and graduate students are eligible for internships. As previously mentioned, internships take place at NASA centers. Here is a map showing the location of NASA centers throughout the country. Both the scholarship and the internship application have some shared standard application elements. Now we will review some tips for excelling in each of these application sections. In the General Information section of the application, be sure to carefully enter your email address and phone number. Double check for typos. Offer letters will be sent by email, and you may be contacted by phone for an interview. In the Education History section of your application, you will need to upload an unofficial transcript from each college or university in your educational history. Plan ahead so you know how to access your university system for viewing and downloading unofficial transcripts. Please note you do not have the option to send in a transcript by mail. You will need to create a PDF version of an unofficial transcript to upload to Solar. When completing the Work Experience section of the application, include all relevant work experience such as lab work, summer research or internships, volunteer positions, and other experiences that demonstrate your academic skills, your communication skills, your work ethic, and your character. Remember, you may not want to include every job that you have ever had. Next, we come to the Letter of Recommendation section of the application. Letters of recommendation are often what make or break a student's application. While one letter of recommendation is required, your application will be strengthened by having 2, or better yet, 3 letters. Make sure your recommender knows you well enough to give a good assessment of your skills, ambition, and work ethic. Request your letter of recommendation well before the application deadline, and when doing so, send your recommender a note telling them why you are applying to NASA and what you hope to gain from the experience. Many recommenders also appreciate receiving a copy of your resume. Make sure you follow up with your recommender to ensure that he or she successfully submits the letter of recommendation well before the application deadline. In the Skills, Awards, and NASA-affiliated activities section, you should include any awards or honors you have received, as well as leadership positions you have held. Include any publications, posters, or conference abstracts to which you have contributed. Detail any special skills that might be relevant to an internship position. Don't forget to complete the 250-word personal statement on how NASA opportunities fit with your interests. In order to write an informed statement, you may want to browse the opportunity listings beforehand, as well as review NASA's mission and goals. Strong candidates will use this part of the application to demonstrate their enthusiasm, energy, and excitement to learn, and will highlight their specific interests in NASA and what NASA does. This is a place to highlight not only how NASA can help you further your academic goals, but how you can be an asset to NASA. Students who have both the tech skills and good communication skills are highly sought after, so take this opportunity to demonstrate your written communication skills. Now that we have finished reviewing the different components of the application, let's talk about next steps for applying for internships. Once you have completed all portions of your application, including accepting the terms and conditions and receiving at least one letter of recommendation, then you can search for and apply to up to 15 internships. When you apply for a specific internship opportunity listing in Solar, you will be prompted to enter a 150-word personal statement explaining why you should be considered for the internship. This is a place where you can highlight your skills, your excitement to learn, and your interest in the particular internship position. Remember that students with a unique set of skills will be most competitive. So if you have coursework in both engineering and business, for example, or if you have expertise in communications and chemistry, make sure you highlight those skills here. Now let's review next steps for applying to scholarships. Your scholarship application should emphasize the following. Leadership qualities. Discuss any experience you have in leadership roles. Demonstrate your ability to work with others and adapt to different work environments. Commitment and passion for the sciences. Demonstrate your commitment to science, technology, engineering, or mathematics. If you have plans for graduate school or a passion for research, highlight that in your essay. Mention your participation in relevant extracurricular activities or programs. Benefit from the scholarship program. In addition to articulating your overall potential to succeed at NASA, you should discuss how you can benefit from the scholarship program's offerings, particularly in regards to using scholarship resources to overcome obstacles or hardships. Additionally, make sure your essays are well organized and articulate. Have a mentor, parent, or friend proofread and offer suggestions. This concludes our summary of tips on how to have a winning application. If you have questions as you complete your application, use the Need Help button found at the top navigation menu.